This is the assembly video for the tablet belt clip with OtterBox uniVERSE case. This is the new state-of-the-art case from OtterBox. If you're familiar with the classic Defender case, this has even a higher mil-spec drop rating. What you will do is put the mounting unit into the center mount. Make sure the arrow is pointing up towards the camera hole. Once the mounting unit is secured, you will insert your device. Once the device is inside the case, you'll take the buckle plate and easily slide it into place until you hear the click. Then, take your hip pad, put it over your belt, secure the Velcro, take the security cord, attach it to the end of the buckle plate, and clip the tablet to your belt. This allows your hands to be free to do what you need to do. Then you can access the device in less than 1 second from a secure position. The tether cord will also eliminate dropped and broken devices in the field. When you're done, simply clip and lock the tablet back to your belt. This is the tablet belt clip for the OtterBox uniVERSE case.